Anyone that knows me or has followed the channel for a little while knows I absolutely love camping. What started out as a hobby has turned into a passion. I think about it all the time. I want to do it all the time. There's one thing that I love just as much as camping. It's finding a good deal. And on this page, along with our camping content, we also try to find the best deal for you. So this one might be something that you didn't expect, but we're going to dive into it. Bealls, actually pronounced Bells, is a Florida-based discount retailer that specializes in men's, women's, and children's clothing, shoes, and numerous household items. They also have outdoor things. Check out these various items you can use for your grill or your campsite. Cutting boards always come in handy, whether you're camping or in an RV. These s'mores kits are fun for kids. Cast iron skillets are always a plus. Tumblers are great. I'm really into the stainless steel coffee cups right now. Wine tumblers, sports bottles, the bigger Stanley Cup kinds of things.
Okay, what about gear?
The camping gear varies when you're in the store. The last time I was here, things were a little different than they were this time. But there's all kinds of backpacks, string bags, first aid kits, various flashlights. Here's a neck light and some headlamps, power banks, headphones, neck fans, portable fans. This tumbler was really cool. It also has a Bluetooth speaker in it. Speaking of speakers, if you want to do campsite karaoke, get you some Mr. Beast headphones or a Paris Hilton speaker. These string lights also have speakers in them. Speaking of lights, they had several different bug zappers here. I really like the one that looks like a lantern. Now, you may be able to find some camping and outdoor gear at Bealls, but keep in mind this store mainly specializes in clothing, shoes, and household items. Have you ever bought anything from Bealls that was camping related? Are there any other stores that people don't expect that sells camping and outdoor gear?